I want to thank you for joining us today. We're up in the western North Carolina mountains, not too far from the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we're sitting in a S85. All right, this is an S85 M6, and it's a coupe, and this car's got quite a bit of power to it. It's got a 10-cylinder motor in it, and it puts out a lot of nice power through a Dinan exhaust. So we're going to just take a little drive around here and let you see a little bit of this. Is it looking good for you? Okay. As you can hear, the ponies get a little angry if you get a little gas to it. It's got quite a bit of torque and horsepower to it. It's a lot of fun, and when you see a car that's got a little bit longer wheelbase than some of your pony cars, and it's got this 10-cylinder motor in it, it's really something to behold. We're going to drive up here. There's be like a little bit of a roundabout we can take, and it's kind of late in the day, so the shadows are a little bit longer here. But
off the front suspension.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got adjustments for that too. Yeah, you could adjust the suspension. You could adjust the this is the transmission of this is like a semi-automatic.
It's the SMG3 7-speed sequential transmission.
All right.
So the engine is the S85.
Right.
V10, which is dual overhead cam 4-valve engine. Good for 507 normally aspirated horsepower. Individual throttle bodies, 4 different oil pumps.
Wow.
Scavenge pumps, the whole deal. So it's basically when they took the Williams F1 engine and then redesigned it for street use, this is what they came up with.
Wow.
So the design is from Williams F1.
Well, they've got a lot of good history on the racing history then, as far as where this engine was developed.
Oh yeah.
And to be able to put this into a passenger car is very sweet.
That's what made this thing remarkable.
Yeah. It's got a lot of go and a lot of slow when you put the brakes onto it. Okay. Well, I notice this has Dinan exhaust. Is that standard on these cars?
It is not. That
okay.
was about a $2,000, $2,500 option.
Okay.
Supposed to add, I think it was like 11 horsepower, 15 torque, something like that. So you figure it makes, engine-wise, just under 520.
Wow.
It's got the latest software updates and all of that as well. So the maintenance is all up to speed.
Good. Now, did you tell me, speaking of sound, that this has a pretty sweet sound system in it as well?
It does. It's a Focal full audio system.
Okay.
JL sub in the back and a stealth box. The whole system has been networked together with twin amps.
Okay.
In the back. Focal has all the door speakers in here as well, and it's the USB compatible system.
Okay.
So you can actually tune all of your audio with your laptop and a remote microphone, so you can get all your sound right, left, forward, backward. You can get all that balanced.
Wow.
But it still works with the factory iDrive.
Okay.
So I can actually still go into the entertainment function and, you know, mess with whatever I want to there. Everything's still.
So as far as usability, it's just like the stock sound system, but this is not a stock system. This is one that the
not at all. Once you pull the panel out of the trunk, you'll realize that this is a fully integrated system. Okay.
So you've got a unique car here with a heck of an engine, 10-cylinder engine, putting out almost 520 horsepower, and you've got the Dinan exhaust on it. And then the previous owner also upgraded and spent quite a bit getting this sound system just to his liking.
Close to $9,000 in the sound system.
Wow.
By the time it was actually installed.
That's amazing.
And then another $4,900 in the integrated radar detector.
Okay.
The sensors are behind the grille and the front bumper.
Okay.
And then there's another one by the diffuser in the rear.
Okay.
All the fluids were obviously changed as well. So this has got the Liqui Moly 1060 Motorsport oil with the correct ratio of Ceratec ceramic additive. That's
Okay.
the top of the line additive as well.
All right.
Gearbox oil's already been changed out as well with the Febby factory fluid. And then the rear diff has the blue Motul Motorsport, the competition oil in it.
Okay.
Which is the limited slip additive and everything for this rear diff.
So pretty much this car's ready to go.
Ready to go. Just had a fresh set of the correct spark plugs too.
Okay. Well, I tell you, it's a fine automobile, and I really appreciate you taking the time to show it to us today. It's an awful lot of fun, and I tell you, getting up here in some of these twisty roads, I bet you can have a lot of entertainment in a short amount of time.
Absolutely.
Well, that's great. Well, thanks for joining us again today. It's a beautiful M6 here, 10-cylinder, double overhead cam, pushing almost 520 horsepower. It's going to make somebody real happy. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.